My application includes three models: listings, bids, and comments. Listings model collects all the information for each listing, and user can create a new listing by entering all the data necessary for it. So image URL, title, descriptions, starting bid, category, and status. When the submit button is clicked, the user is redirected to the active listing page, which is a default page for this application. Here they can see active listings, the newly added listing, and closed listings. Now let's go back to the view listing page. Here we can see all the info about the specific listing. We can add it to the watch list or remove it from the watch list, and also signed in users can place bids. Placing bid must be more than the current price. So if we try 23, we get an error. So let's try 52. Now we have a successful message, and the current bid is changing to our just made bid. We are signed in as Randall. Magda posted this listing. So let's log in as Magda. And here we can see, when we go to the view of the listing, we can see the close this listing button, which belongs to only this sign in. When we close this listing, status becomes closed, and the highest bidder, which is Randall, wins this auction. Randall can go to the closed listings, view the listing, and see that he is the winner of this auction. We also have comment sections, which you cannot make a comment on a closed listing, but in the active listing, let's take a look at this raccoon and say, well, that's amazing. And let's make the list. Let's make a comment. Comment is added to the bottom of the lists for the comments, and it's generated by being pulled from the database, which is a second model of this application, comments. Next, we have a watch list. We can go to the watch list, and the signed-in user can see all the watch list information. Another thing is categories. Here we have different categories, and if we click on the animals, now we are redirected to the homepage showing us only active and closed listings of animals. The last piece of this assignment was the Django admin interface. We can here see all the necessary information for this web application, and Magda is the admin on this project. So here we can see all the fun info for all the fun listings. We should be able to edit, add, delete, view. So let's see. We delete the party with the dogs. And now when we go back to the listings, you no longer here see the listing. And when we refresh this page, we no longer see the listing of party with the dogs. And this is my project 2.